Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can buy crypto with a credit card on Trust Wallet. So first things first, you have to head over to the application or Chrome extension on your browser. From here, the next thing that you want to do is to simply click on the buy and sell button. It will then take you to this page right here. So let's say that I want to spend something like $200 on Bitcoin right here. From there, you just want to go ahead and select your payment methods. You want to make sure that you select credit card right here. There's also bank transfers and digital wallet. From there, you then want to go ahead and choose your exchange platform. In my case, I'm going to be choosing MoonPay right here. And right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and simply enter your credit card information and you should be good to go. Now, you want to make sure that you go ahead and select credit card once more. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.